When you're working accounting, especially construction, things can get a little complicated. We utilize Foundation for tracking these jobs for the health of the company overall. Palouse Power specializes in utility infrastructure. Hurricanes come in, take out power supply. We come in and help get things back online. I do a lot in payroll. We have over 100 employees, so tracking all of them in terms of multi-state, different projects, different unions, having a program where you can accurately account for all the movement is very helpful. It's a huge time saver to be able to import. And not just through Foundation, but you could use other programs as well. Like for instance, we use Procore. Integrating that with Foundation has been very helpful. We're talking a couple of minutes to import all the time cards versus several hours of entering all that in, especially when you got all the moving parts. Like I said, different states, different unions, being able to streamline things to where that complication doesn't have to bring stress to the accounting department is, that would be very good.